Ralta tutor channel atangin voin chu class 8 mathematics kan zirle dona he channel lo mangtang kai tu zong te invite chi bai kan book chewa ralta chungkwa ralte tutor chungkwa chuanin du sakna sang ber kan hlan chuin in thil zir turpo in thiam ngei thena turin du sakna kan hlan chuni ole tuna chuan zirlai kan lut ngar molanga exercise 9.3 hianin multiplication of algebraic expression kan zir donani multiplication of algebraic expression danglam na pakhat na chuan belle paya kha chuan addition le subtraction a kha chuanin anin taka chuan term in anglo unlike terms kan te kha kan belin kan pai thei lowa mo maro chu like terms ave thung chu ka te multiplication la division ave thung chuan unlike terms po kan belin kan pai nok thei zelani kha kan hriat tan kan soi masaduni ti chuan ama sabera chuanin hela hianin exercise 9.3 question number 1 and carry out the multiplication of the expression in each of the following pairs the oma ta khan monomial le binomials aronda zela pair khata khan ta khan khamita pani kha puntir turani mayani puntir hantia hianin kansia turachu binomials le monomials kan puntir hianin binomials azun tram ni teloni ta chuan monomials inova puntir khan kha tram khat khan binomials a tram ni ta kha san pa ve na puntir turani chumi ni wang chuan bracket chunga hen kan da deuh kher zel bok ti ha kan soi masani se chuan number 1 a hian 4p q plus r alo omta ti chuan puntir turani wangin q plus r hi bracket chunga kan handa ta 4p chuan q plus r in kan handa ta ni ti chuan 4p hian a chunga bracket chunga q le r he san ve na puntir turani a ankara khan plus omdona ni mo kan puntir ta q ma hian 1 omreng angangai turani chuan pali in coefficient kha kan puntirang mo pali mun khat pali mo kan zek ta phota p into q to pq ani maya chuan 4pq mo 4p into q to 4pq chuan plus kan data a chuan 4p hian khating se khan r hi va puntir leng 4p into r to 4pr ani le mai khating se khan sum number 2 a po ab hi monomial ani a minus b hi binomials ani a ti chuan khami binomials monomials khan binomials kha va puntir turani ti chuan ab in a minus b hi an puntir khan ab into a kan jetani ab le a kan puntira chun a panhi lo omta a panhi ron omta a chutin chun a square lon ta chun b hi la omtel bokang mo a into ab chu a square b ni mai a square b minus chun ab le b hi puntira chun a pakhata oma b panhi om ve thung ta a b square ni le mai ta ni minus a b square kha khateng khan puntir kha awesome mm ta hian a plus b binomials kha ma saron da monomials kha nung aron da engang pon ron da ma se monomials kha ta hian bracket pona kan da nga bracket chung khan binomials kan da le don ta ti nani ti chuan 7a square b square khan a plus b puntir chuan 7 alo om photanga 7a square b square into a chu a hi panhi om sa ta hian pakhatin ron pun bel don ti nan ta 7 mo a kha square omsa kha pakhatin ron belle a cube alon ta nga 7a cube b square alon don ta ni 7a cube b square plus chuan ta hian 7a square b square hen b hi puntir lenga 7a square b cube alon ni ve thung don ta ti na ni chu 7a square b cube mo ti chuan number 4 a chuan a square minus 9 lo oma 4a hian a puntir turani a 4a into a square minus 9 lo ni chuan 4a into a square chu 4a cubed ina lo nia minus 4a into 9 chu pali mun kwa somthum paruk chuan a hi ron som phei nga lang ma teng khan hei chu by trinomials line pq plus qr plus rp into 0 hian engpo hei chu chaw vak po ngai lo eng number po ni se number lian thei pa to po ni se 0 ne na kan puntir chuan engani 0 ne kan puntir chuan eng value lian po ni se 0 an top ta ni mo kha poimo hle mai leta hian tuna kan chaw zo tak chiang khan kan chaw zo tak chiang kha table complete turin miron ti ta ni mo chum main kan channel mang tangkai tu ta jinga le kan student te jinga hian namdang mizo tong thiam lo kan om thina wangin english in kan tile lokang welcome back to mathematics lesson here in Reality Tutor channel. Now we'll go on with exercise 9.3, that is algebraic expressions. In this chapter, in this exercise, we are going to learn about the multiplication of algebraic expressions. Unlike addition and subtractions, in algebraic expressions, in division and multiplication, we can multiply or divide any unlike expressions, unlike equations, unlike terms. So that is the uniqueness of the multiplication and division. So here, in going straight to the lesson, in question number 1, we're supposed to multiply the monomial with the binomials. Regarding the multiplications of monomials with binomials, we'll put monomials outside bracket and binomials inside bracket, and we will multiply the two terms of the binomials by the monomials outside here, one by one. Here also 4p have to multiply with q plus r, and q plus r is kept inside the bracket, and monomials 4p is outside the bracket. If you multiply 4p with q here, the answer will be 4pq. Here we have wrote 4pq. Plus, here plus, we have plus here, plus. If you multiply 4p with r, the answer will be 4pr. So that is the way to multiply the algebraic expressions. In sum number 2, here we have ab to multiply with a minus b. So we put ab outside the bracket and a minus b inside the bracket. So if you multiply ab with a, here there are 2a here along with b. If you multiply 2a are there, if you multiply together, it will become a square, and b also is there with it. So the answer will be a square b minus ab with b. If you multiply ab with b, so there will be 2b's here along with a here. So the answer will be a and b square. So the answer will be a square b minus ab square. Alright. And camera hi ti deuh khan ting an lo lang chuak lai zoi thina ale. Question number 3, a plus b have to multiply it with 7a square b square. So 7a square b square is put outside the bracket, and a plus b inside the bracket here. If you multiply 7a square b square with a, here there's already 2a's here, and the number a will be increased with another a here inside. So the answer will be 7. So there will be 3a's together here with this. So 7a cubed b square will be the answer, plus here if you multiply 7a square b square with b, so the number of b will increase by 1, so 7a square b cubed will be the answer. So the answer will be 7a cubed b square plus 7a square b cubed. In the same way, here in question number 4, a square minus 9 and 4a have to multiply, so 4a into a square minus 9. So if you multiply 4a with a square, the answer will be 4a cubed, as we have done it before, minus 4 9s are 36, and a will be carried with it. So the answer will be 4a cubed minus 36a. In sum number 5, you're going to multiply the trinomials pq plus qr plus pr with 0. Any number, any integers, or any variables, whether it is countless or too big, if you multiply with 0, the answer will be always 0. So 0 neutralizes every number. So in the same way here in question number 2, the question asks you to complete. Okay, here first expression and second expression is given in the textbook itself. That means you have to write the product here in the third column. That means you have to multiply this first column and second column here. And here, if you multiply a with b plus c plus d, the answer will be a into b will be ab plus a with c is ac plus, here plus is there in between, no? A with d is a multiplied with d is ad. So the answer will be ab plus ac plus ad. In the same way here, if you multiply x plus y minus 5 with 5xy, here as we have done it before in question number 1, we have to multiply the trinomials with the monomials 1 by 1. If you multiply x with 5xy, the answer will be 5. Here x already is there. With this x, it will become x squared. Then that will be x squared y. So the first term will be 5x squared y. And 5xy into y is 5xy squared minus 5 into 5 is 25. Then xy will go along with it, 25xy. The answer will be 5x squared y plus 5xy squared minus 25xy. So that is the way we are going to do that number 2. All the rest you can do it by yourself, by looking at it. You can understand from the explanation that we have done before in question number 1, question number 2, sum number 1, 2. Le question number 2, sum number 1 le true kha kan en sin lo ka nga true lang ang ka soy nga number 1 kan soy to ang thau kha nia monomial khan binomial trinomial san mo quadrinomial spawn is pentanomial spawn se hexanomial spawn ro se mo ava puntir reng rengin amal malin ava puntir don ti na nia hey a hian b plus c plus d hi a puntir chuan a le b puntir chuan a b nia nga kha in kara plus ron om hala a le c puntir chuan a c ni le maya han a le d puntir chuan a d ni le maya kha kha answer chuni maya heta po hin boina tur om lawa panga le engeni 5xy le x puntir chuan x kha pakhatin ron pun bel don ani maya hetlai x kha mo ani chuan 5 chuan x kha pan hi oma x square chuan y ala keng tel boka y 5x square y lon ta a plus chuan 5 x ron keng tela y kha pa ni ron om ta ni chu y square kha tuna kan ting che khan panga in helai 1 om kha mun khat panga kan zia ka x kha ta hen ala keng tel ve ka x chuan y hi ron bel ta a y square kha kha de khan minus heta hian panga mun nga som ni panga xy keng tel kha kha ni le mai adang po hi hei p hian hei hi va puntir det khan hei hi lo chuak le mai kha kan zir dan tur chu ni a khami number 1 na kan cho to na atang le khami question number 2 sum number 1 le 2 3 pone nga khami kan cho to na tang khan han en wang khan ati dan tur chu akal mang chu aron hriat ta mai ta kha khanang ma ni ti ve don ani mo maths hi hetia ngai thla ka chiara thiam chi mai ani lowa khami ka soi fia rual khan kati ang khan le khapuana pen le pencil na lo ring ola lo ti ve zelula mo kan ti rual zel khan lo ti ta ula kha kha in thiam na turani ti kha kan soi le pa ani sela This one, question number 3, find the products. Aron tia puntir hang puntir chok thei kan zong don ni. Hey, monomials sang pathum pali lai te pon yanga kha ho kha puntir chok kha en turn ta ni. Ama sabera chuanin algebraic expressions reng a chun kan puntir don chuan coefficient an name kan puntir tu te khan number pa ngai variables ni lo number pa ngai ken an name ti kan en ma saberang this one number pa ngai ken an nei chan number pa ngai ken an te kha kan puntir photang chumi so variables kan en lenga variables aken zat kha kan bel khom le mai don ani le heta in coefficient inge 1 ani a ta hian true hi coefficient ani ta in 4 hi coefficient ani a tichon coefficient kha puntir tur ani a mo chuan pali mun ni pariat mun khat pariat chon e hi exam nge om belang pan ni heinen ni li plus ni ruk somnga chon 8a to the power 50 kha answer ani le mai ta ni tiang chi khan headline hianin kan soi du chu cho te ta ngai don ta ni fraction coefficient and fraction ron mangta chuan ta hian e minus ron om ta b ka minus kan da photanga chuan helai hian panni hian som hi ahmun nga an ta ni chuan pathum hian pakwa hi ahmun thum maron ni don ta ni te chuan kan cho te no chon nge lo chuak ta nge lo chuang ta kan ti chuan coefficient ta chuan achunga pathum anhoya panga mo minus 3/5 lo chuak ta ni ti chuan variables ta kan bel khomang x sengsar nge vain om ta x pakhat tan x pani oma vain x pathum om x cube y sengsar nge y pakhat heminen y pathum om le x cube y cube pane mai mo khating chi khan helaya po hian chote tani le mai pathumin parukhi ahmun ni tro panga hian som hi ahmun ni bok pani veve chunga chuanga 2 2 sar 4 chon maina sika keng telanga pali chuan pali nianga chuan p kha engzang he omta p pali oma q pali om boka p to the power 4 q to the power 4 ani mai chuan helai hian x hian in coefficient pakhat thewan ne chuwang chuan pakhat lir hi engang pon zatel por nom se ipun tir chuanin 1 tho ani chuwang chon ta hen engma zengai lo 1 ani mai mo te chuan x engzat nge omta avain pakhat panhi pathum pali panga paruk pasari pariat pakwa som x to the power 10 ani mai kan the thiamang chumo tru question number 4. Okay, before we go to question number 4, let me introduce you question number 3, how to multiply the monomials with the monomials, or how to simplify the rational coefficient. Okay, here we have a square into 2a to the power 22 into 4a to the power 26. Firstly, in order to multiply the algebraic expressions, we have to see whether there is any numerical coefficient rather than the variables. Okay, we have to see the numerical coefficient first. Those numerical coefficients should be multiplied firstly. Here also we are going to see a square have carried 1 as a numerical coefficient. Here is 2 and here is 4. If you multiply it all together, 1 into 2 is 2, 2 into 4 is 8. Here we have 8. We write 8. Then after multiplying the numerical coefficient, we have to see how the variables, how many variables are there. We have to add them up. So here a to the power 2 is there together with this. There are 24a. With this 26, altogether there will be 50a. So the answer will be a to the power 50. Alright, then in the second number, here we have a fraction, rational number. Okay, fractional numerical coefficient. fraction we have. Firstly, we have to see the coefficient here, and you have to simplify. You can simplify 2 with the denominator 10. If you simplify 2 with 10, you will find out this is 2 5 times. No. So if you cut down 10 with 2, the answer will be 5. If you simplify 9 with 3, the answer will be 3. Here there is minus, so the answer will be minus. At the numerator there will be 3 here. At the denominator there will be 5 here. So 3 by 5 will be the coefficient as the answer. And how many x are there here? X, with this you have altogether 3x. So that means x cubed, and y also is the same way, y cubed. In the same way, here in question number 3, you have to simplify the rational number first, and you will find out, if you simplify 3 with 6, the answer will be 2 here. If you simplified 5 with 10, the answer will be 2 here. At the numerator, both the values will be 2. 2 into 2 will be 4. So minus 4 will be the answer. And how many p's are there? Altogether 4 p's are there. And 4 q's are there also here. So we have altogether as the answer minus 4. P to the power 4, q to the power 4. In sub number 4 here, all the terms have 1 as their coefficient. So 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 is 1. If you multiplied 1 into 1 like that 100 times or even 1,000 times, the answer will always be 1. So x into x squared into x cubed into x4, if you add up the power all together, you'll find out 10. So the answer will be x to the power 10. So here in question number 4 we have in number A, simplify and find its value for sum number 1, x equal to 3. Sum number 2, x equal to 1 by 2. So firstly we have to simplify this. Wherever we need to multiply, we have to multiply. Wherever you need to subtract or add terms, you have to do it. And at last we will exchange the variable x with 3. So here 3x into 4x minus 5 plus 3 can be written as here. If you multiply 3 with 4, the answer will be 12. 3 4s are 12. X into x is x squared minus 3 5s are 15. X will be carried along with it, so 15x will be there, minus 15x. So here outside the bracket plus 3 is still there. So there are no more like terms to add or subtract with the other. So this is the equations where we have to substitute the value of x with 3 here. In sum number 1, here we have x minus 3, x equal to 3. Here in these equations, wherever there is x, we have to substitute with 3. That means 12x squared means 12 into, instead of x we'll put 3 squared minus 15 into 3. This 15x will become 15 into 3. Then plus 3 will be there. Then 3 squared is 9, no? So the answer will be 12 into 9 minus 15 3s are 45 plus 3. So 12 9s are 108 minus 45 plus 3. If you add 108 with 3, as a regular norms of mathematics, you have to add up the plus sign positive numbers together and subtract the negative one. So you have to add up 108 with 3. You will find out 111 minus 45, that is 66 will be the answer. In the same way, here in this 12x squared minus 15x plus 3 itself, we will substitute x with 1 by 2. Ngay tla ka ha tla kem o English ka nan ti ka ngai ve sia. So here in sum number 2 we will exchange x with 1 by 2 here. 12 into 12x squared will become 12 into 1 by 2 square minus 15 into 1 by 2 plus 3, like the previous one. So here 12 into 1 square is 1. 1 square is 1, okay? Then 2 square is 4. So 12 into 1 by 4 will be here. Minus 15 into 1 by 2 will be 15 by 2 plus 3. So here we can simplify 12 with this 4. With 4, if you simplify 12, that is 3. 3 1 is, here we write 3. Minus 15 by 2 as it is, plus 3 here is there still. So we can add up 3 with this 3 because both of them are positive. So 3 plus 3 is 6. So 6 minus 15 by 2. So take the LCM as take 2 as the LCM. So you can multiply straight away 6 with the LCM 2. 2 6 are 12 minus 15. If you subtract 12 from 15, it will become 3 by 2. So denominator 2, denominator that is LCM 2 will remain as it is. So since the bigger number 15 carried the negative sign, so the answer will be minus 3 by 2. So that is the way we can solve the problem like that. So again, here in question number B, you have to simplify the expression first. Simplify the expression first, then substitute the value of a with 0, then after which 1, after which minus 1, and you will find out this. So it is so easy. So try to do it by yourself, okay, in your own. Stop the video, keep it aside, and do it by your own, and check whether it is correct or not from the video that I have put it here. Let me train and long question number 4 ka. Hey, simplify pot turania. Chung ka bel ngai kan belanga puntir ngai kan puntiranga. Chumi kan ti zon nuwa chuan x omna ai re re nga khan 3 kan da nga chumi zo x omna ai re re 1 by 2 kan da lenga. Answer kan sok don ni chumom le 3x 4x minus 5 plus 3 hi question aron da hania. Hey, puntir ngai ta pot pathum hun li som patni x into x x square mo 12x square pathum hun nga som panga an x ran lakeng telang plus hey helai 3 hi plus 3 te han rom ta then like terms kan tiang chi term in ang bel le pai tur on ta mi lo ti khana tok der ti chuan khami kha hemi ya hian ama sabera chuan x aya 3 kan da chinang kan ti ni hemi ya hian oh helai x I hen 3 kan da nga helai x I hen 3 kan da bokanga enge a hlut na kan en chok kan chok don ani chutin chon 12 into x square I kan 3 square kan da nga minus 15 x I kan 15 into 3 kan da nga plus 3 chu equation na ron ken tel khala om zelanga mom te chuan 12 into 3 square chu 9 ania minus som panga mun thum chu somli panga nia plus 3 ti chuan som panhe mun ko chu za pariat ania minus 45 plus 3 lo ni le tani mathematics dan kal phung pa ngai chun mo plus pu zong kha positive zong kha kan bela negative zong kan bel boka tam zok train claim zok kan pai thin ga te khan za pariata hian pathumi kan belanga za som pakhata lo ne nga chu tatang chu somli panga kan pai nga ruk ruk lo ni don ani anu mem alum pop mai lum pop ve mo ka hello a le sub number 2 chon xi a khan 1/2 da ve siniratia kha 12x square a khan 12 into 1/2 square kan dale ta minus 15 into 1/2 plus 3 kha hela equation ngai renga khan mo hela equation ngai renga khan xi hen 1/2 kan da ve thung ti na ni chu mo ti chuan na ra ba za ve 12 into 1/2 square chu 12 into 1 square hi 1 ania 2 square hi 4 ania mo chuan minus sompanga mun kha sompanga moya pani omang mo plus 3 ti khan hei pali hian sopani hi wan chokte theirang ani hi pali in sopani chokte a mun thum dro pathum mun khat pathum tei pathum kan zeka minus sompanga hnoya pani ti ngai na vaka omlo ten omro se plus 3 hi ala ombok helai 3 le helai ma saber 3 hi ain bel thaya pathum le pathum mi bel chon paru ka ni maya minus sompanga noya pani angai na laron omle dona ni chu mo ngai nor omle dona chuan LCM a pani hi kan langa 2 kan langa chuan pani mun ruk sompani minus 15 kharang kalanga chuan mathematics dana chuan atamjok tlemjok kan paya atamjok sign apuang kan ti tain tamjok chu sompanga hi nia sompanga hi minus ani miu vai ten minus kan da photanga sompanga sompan hi pai chon 3 chuan an hoya 2 ombokang minus 3/2 kha answer ni mai tikhan video kha in han post chinanga in phone khain da son chinanga hei hi equation hi in simplify photanga ma kan tiang khan ai a khan 0 in danga chumi zo ai a 1 chumi zo ai minus 1 ka teng han sang theu in han chok chin ula mo indicate diklo kha video tang bok hian in enlet le don ani chu okay, then we can go to question number 5. Question number 5a asks you to add p minus q minus r and r minus p. So in place of comma and here we'll put plus p minus q plus q minus r plus r minus p. So here we can multiply p with p minus q. P into p is p square minus p into q is pq plus q into q is q square minus q into r is qr plus r into r is r square plus into minus is minus r into p is pr. So all the variables which have a square as its exponents we'll put together p square plus q square plus r square minus pq minus qr minus pr. That will be the answer. Number B. Also here we have to add up these two, and in place of and we have to put plus here. Firstly we can multiply this 2x into z is 2xz minus 2x into x is 2x square minus 2x into y is 2xy. As we have multiplied it before in question number 1, 2 and 3, we have already experienced the multiplication of monomials with trinomials or binomials or quadrinomials or something like that. So here also we have to multiply 2y with z, that will be 2yz minus 2y into y is 2y square plus into minus is still minus 2y into x is 2xy. Firstly, the variables which have 2 as its exponents we put together at the first order. Minus 2x square minus 2y square, so we can collect this plus 2xz minus here xy we have 2 times here xy minus 2xy, here minus 2xy is there, we can add up together. 2 plus 2 is 4xy, okay, plus 2yz, we'll write it as it is, so that will be the answer. Somehow it's so hot here, I feel quite dizzy, sometimes I feel so sleepy. Are you? So here in question number C is subtract. As we have seen in other chapters also, subtract 3l, l minus 4m plus 5n from 4l, 10n minus 3m plus 2l. So from is there, so the second expression will have to keep it first. The second expression we have to keep it first. So 4l, 10n minus 3m plus 2l. So instead of from we can put minus, so the first expression will write 3l, l minus 4m plus 5n here. So we can multiply the expressions with the monomials outside here. 4 tens are 40 ln minus 4 threes are 12 lm plus 4 twos are 8, l into l is l square, minus 3 into 1 is 3, l into l is l square, minus 3l square, minus into plus is minus into minus is plus. 3 fours are 12 lm minus into plus is minus. 3 fives are 15 ln. So here 12 lm we have minus 12 lm. Here we have 12 lm also here. So we can strike off. We can strike off this 12 minus 12 lm. No. This sorry. Okay, anyway. We'll keep it as it is. 12 lm with 12 lm plus and minus. So what do we have here? 8l square minus 3l square is 8 minus 3 is 5. So l square is still remaining. Since 12 lm minus and plus 12 lm is cancelled, what we have here is 40 ln minus 15 ln. 40 minus 15 is 25, so ln will be still there. That will be the answer. In question number D, subtract 3a plus b plus c minus 2b a minus b plus c from 4c minus a plus b plus c. So the second expression we will keep it first as we have seen it before. 4c minus a plus b plus c. So we put minus since the question asks you to subtract. So the first expression, all the first expression we have right here inside the bracket. 3a plus b plus c minus 2b a minus b plus c. So here firstly we have to simplify the expressions that we have got it from the question. 4c minus a is minus 4ac plus 4bc plus 4c square minus, so inside the bracket here, 3a into a is 3a square plus 3a into b is 3ab plus 3a into c is 3ac minus 2b into a is 2ab, minus into minus is plus, 2b into b is 2b square, minus into plus is minus, 2b into c is 2bc. Then we'll simplify it again here. 4c square, we'll put it as first order here. 4c square minus 4ac plus 4bc minus here 3a square we have, then 2b square. Those expression which have 2 as their exponents will keep it in order. 3a square plus 2b square, then here 3ab minus 2ab we can minus, no, 3 minus 2 is 1, so no need to write. So 3ab minus 2ab is ab, then plus 3ac minus 2bc. Now we'll remove the bracket here. 4c square minus 4ac plus 4bc minus 3a square. This minus into plus is minus 2b square. Minus into plus again is minus ab. Here minus into plus is minus 3ac. Here minus into minus is plus 2bc. Then the like terms we'll put it together, okay? 4c square minus 3a square minus 2b square, there is no like terms with them. So minus ab also have no like terms with it. So 4bc plus 2bc, here we have collected them, okay? Minus 4ac minus 3ac. So the answer will be minus 3a square minus 2b square plus 4c square minus ab. 4 plus 2 is 6, 6bc, minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7ac. That will be the answer. Alright. Mizo tong tile lok ngo. Mizo tong ati khan ngom ve soi tur te kan nga ve box mo. Ta hian question number 4, 5 a hian bel ro ron tia hay comma ai diet hian tlai hian bel tur ni chon plus kan da mai nga tro plus kan han da diet ta p minus q minus r plus r minus p. Chon kan punti rang p le p chu p into p chu p square minus draw p le q chu pq plus q le q chu q square plus into minus ka minus ania q into r chu qr plus r le r chu r square minus r le p chu p r kan te mai mom tianga han se hen multiply han r le p multiply chu r p lo me ni e ni tho e ma seng p r t kan je khat alaman ngom zo ka mixing rang in abc hi kan abc te o aob te poni anga kan zir thina ni pol khat kan ni lai tang kg kan ni lai tang te poni mo abc te kan zira abc kha ain dot danin kan soi thina ni ale zong he kan zir ngai me ulo mo chu wang chuan in abc kha in dot dana kan zir thin si wang chuan hetianga po p le r le p kan puntir khan rp ni mai lom ni ka te ni mai e ma ne khatia abc ain dot dan angkha mo rp tilowa pr kan te khan ain dot dan han laman wa ma dik bokta ni mo kha achan chu ni nakina po he adot le che hian por ni ho ka han la khom ta p square plus q square plus r square ngathia r square te q square te p square te ain dot dan kan dan ti chon hemi kan thua ka hian kan thua ka hian in ain dot dan khan ain rem to si mo khami khain dot dana a om khan ena nuama chira nuama mo hriat thiam an nuam bi kan ni chu kha te han in dot dana kan rem khan answer khan le ta mai ta ni le ta hian bina hian in hey error ti le ta tuna miang thau khan ani tuna miang thau khan in han ti chinanga in du le video khain post anga chuan in ti chinanga in dikle diklo khata tang hen video tang thau kan in en lenga in diklo lai hen siam thadon ani ama mi ne hen ang che hai chu kan ti tam lo mayang mo english kha chu kan explain tak na chu hei chu nang mani ti tan in thiam lo test nan ai tom riau mai kha chu in lo ti don ni chon subtract a hen kan kalanga chon subtract ka hen from ma ti thin ni from a chon atangin ti na ni mi zo tonga po atangin ti ni chon anon hong zo khi ma sa zel tur ti na ni kan da ma sa zel don ni atangin kan han ti chon a pai na tura a nge ji ma sak tur zo kha a hriat bik tar ngoi mai ni chu e chuan kha from 4l ata 10n minus 3m plus 2l chu kan han ziak ma sata ni chuan subtract ati wang khan minus kan data hei kan ziak lai ta ti chuan bracket kan thia tanga palimun som li ln minus palimun thum som pani lm mo plus palimun hi pariat l square lo ni le ta minus pathum 3l into l 3l square ni maya minus into minus kha plus ania chuan pathum hun li som pani lm plus pathum hun okati pathum hun nga som panga ln ti chuan helai 12 lm le 12 lm hi minus le plus ania kan kat thei ta a chuan pariat atangin pathum kan paya panga lo chuaka 5l square mo chuan somli ln atangin helai som panga ln hi tamin ang ni vain kan pai le a somli atanga som panga pai chu ni nga ln alun le ta ni chuan question number d ya kan kalanga d ya chuan ang subtract 3a plus b plus c minus 2b a minus b plus c from 4c minus a plus b plus c ta a chuti ni chuan from motivine he kan ziak masalang 4c minus a plus b plus c minus chuan he bracket kir chung kan data sei de boka 3a plus b plus c minus 2b a minus b plus c kan data a ti chuan a chung b kai kan ti lenga mo 4c to minus a to 4 minus 4ac plus 4c into b to 4bc kha khata po 4cb ti ron 4bc kan ti mo plus 4c into 4c into c to 4c square minus 3a into a to 3a square plus 3a into b to 3ab chiang chumo plus 3a into c is 3ac minus 2b into a is 2ab minus 2b into b is 2b square minus 2b into c is 2bc ti chuan khata po khana chung kha chin fel ngai khawm le da 3a square le plus 2b square he chung masa kan da le ta chuan helai ta khian 3ab a 2ab pai theya ab ve ven kana wangin mo 3ab a 2ab pai chuan 5 kati 1ab ni nga 1 sila ngai le wa ab mo plus 3ac minus 2bc khala king telang ti chuan bracket kan thia tanga bracket pona minus hian helai a sign te hi ava puntir vele ke udon ani bracket pona mi kha chu ngai kan ziaka minus 3a square minus into plus minus 2b square minus into plus minus ab at that point minus into plus minus 3ac chuan minus into minus plus 2bc traminang hakan la khom le ke nga chuan square nei ho kha ma kan da le nga mo 4c square minus 3a square minus 2b square minus ab chu da 4bc le 2bc kan da du na minus 4ac le minus 3ac kan da du le ta mo khan ain anga khatra min anga kha kan belina mo kan pai le turan ta minus 3a square minus 2b square plus 3c square minus ab plus 6bc minus 7ac kha answer chu ni le tamai ni ti khanin khami lesson b ka kha chu kan zo le ta nakina maths stream ma hi kan zo huna mathematics sumchang kan ngai dan chungchang te thil chi sang class ai da chon clay roll in ni don tran so to clay roll ni don tran so lai hria tur poimo se sang te maths class pa in kan soi chawanga nang ni poina comment section a zalen ta kain comment hei turin sei ho na te po kha kan bua sei don ya voina tan chuan kan hun kan du tok photanga chuan ale pe ka tan le ale pe ka kan zir le tur ne na in kar tan du sakna kan se u kan lo me